Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. This is the continuation of uh, the lesson 3. Under this, we'll be taking, I will revise these words and opposites, and then we take the huruf al-shamsiyya and huruf al-qamariyya. We have hulwun, sweet. Hulwun, whenever you want to say something is sweet, you say hulwun, sweet. We have maridun, sick. Maridun, sick. We have tawilun, tall. When someone is tall, you say, oh, هذا الرجل طويل. This man is tall. Then you say qasirun, short. When someone is short, opposite of tall. Then you say هذا الولد قصير. This boy is short. Then we have غني. غني. We have rich. غني, rich. We have فقير, poor. He said هذا الرجل غني. This man is poor. Or you say هذا الرجل فقير. This man is poor. الدكان, shop, the shop. التفاح, the apple. Now we have the sun and the moon letter. We said الحروف الشمسية والحروف القمرية. He said in Arabic, the alif and lam, whenever, like, we started with the learning of alif and lam when we said whenever we see alif and lam in front of a word, we said it means the. Let's say al-kitabu, the book. He said also whenever you see it written with words, then it changes the sound with certain letters. Like some certain letters, the alif and lam will be clear when you pronounce it. And some certain letters, the lam in that letter, like the alif and lam we want to add, that lam, we will not pronounce it. We take away the lam, then we pronounce the alif together with the letter after the lam, and the letter after the lam will ask shedda. That's some letters are also like that. That's when we are now have said for the moon letters, we said huruful or hurufun qamariyatun. Said moon letters. Whenever you add the alif and lam to the letters that belongs to this group, it remains clear, which means like you'll be able to pronounce it. Alif and lam will be pronounced, but here you have to, when you add the alif and lam, when you add it to the huruf al-qamariyya, then you'll be able to pronounce the alif and lam. Let's say, for example, al-qamaru. You can see we said al-qamaru. You see the alif and lam is clear. We have al-baytu. Al-baytu. You can see the al there is clear. We have al-kitabu. The alif and lam there is also clear. We pronounce it clearly. Then for the hurufun shamsiyatun, the sun letters. Whenever they add alif and lam to any of the sun letters, then he said the lam there will be hidden. Like we will not pronounce the lam, we will only pronounce the alif. And then the next letter is doubled, which means like it will ask shedda. Let's say, for example, ashamsu. Ashamsu. Let's say tajirun, for example. If you add alif and lam to it, you say atajiru. You can see we did not pronounce the lam, unlike the huruf al-qamariyya that we say al-kitab. Here we said ashamsu. Atajiru. You see the lam is not clear here. Atajiru. Just pronounce the alif and then we pronounce the letter with shetta. These are some of the examples of moon and sun letters. Hurufun qamariyatun, which is moon letters, you have al-qamar. You can see the lam and the alif is clear here. Al-Himaru. You can see the alif and lam is clear here. Al-Babu. You can see the alif and lam is clear. Al-Waladu. You can see the alif and lam is clear. Whenever you see words like this, whereby when you see the alif and lam in front of it, you are able to pronounce the alif and lam easily, clearly, then it means that letter after the lam belongs to huruful qamariyya. But let's say for the sun letters, these are some of the examples. We have atolibu, asamaku, atolibu, asamaku. We have arrojulu, an-najm. You can see this. Whenever you see all of this, the alif and lam is not clear. The alif is the only one that is clear, but the lam there, we did not pronounce it. We just pronounce it letter after the lam with shadda. You can say at-talibu, as-samaku. This is for the uh, huruful shamsiyya. Now, inshallah, in class we practice this. I will show you picture of a moon and also some examples of huruful qamariyya. We have Al-Qamaru Jamilun. The moon is beautiful. Beautiful. Opposite game, we take word and opposite. Kabirun, Sogirun, Qasirun, Tawilun, Ghaniyun, Fakirun. We do that also. And lastly, we should note that adding alif and lam to like any word, it will add to the meaning and it will add d to the meaning. It means we have kitabun before. Then when you add alif and lam to it, it becomes al-kitabu. It becomes al-kitab. Al-kitab. Then we use describing words to talk about objects. And also we talk about the sun and moon letters, whereby the alif and lam in it will be the one to determine if it is hurufun shamsiyya or hurufun qamariyya. When the alif and lam is clearly pronounced, then the letter after the lam belongs to huruful qamariyya. But when the letter after the lam has shadda and then the lam is not pronounced, then it is hurufun shamsiyya. Then that's all for the huruf shamsiyya and huruf qamariyya. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.